Hey everyone, Laura McCarthy here, and I just want to do a quick tutorial today on how to check your webmail from your self-branded website. Now, if you haven't had this set up already, you need to check with your hosting company and make sure that it is added to your cPanel. You can have anything like your name at yourdomainname.com, or you can have like admin at yourdomainname.com. And then once it's set up, you'll be able to actually go and log into your cPanel and go to your webmail. So in this case, I'm going to go to my domain name, and I'm going to type in my webmail. So here is lauramccarthy.com/webmail, and that's how I'll be able to check my email. And once I go here, it's just going to ask me to log in. And so my webmail here is laura@lauramccarthy.com. And then I'll just enter my password and then click login. And then it says login successful. And now you have your choice here, once you're in your cPanel, what you want to read your email from. And what you can do here is you can read it from Squirrel Mail, Roundcube, or Horde. I usually choose Squirrel Mail. And the other thing you can do once you're in your webmail here is you can choose your forwarding options. So if you click on forwarding options, you can actually have your branded domain email forwarded to your private Gmail account, so that way you don't have to log into your webmail all the time to check it. But sometimes it's really a good idea to log in here at least once a week to make sure your forwarding is still working, to check to see if any messages got missed in the forwarding, because sometimes there's some things that don't quite go right, so you just need to go in and check every once in a while. But so you can set this to forward to any email address that you want it to, and you can actually set up to have multiple email addresses if you want. So if you want an admin or whatever, you can add autoresponders, configure mail client, and things like that. But for this, we just want to make sure that your forwarding is set up. And then what you're going to do is to actually check to read your email. You can go here. So read email using Squirrel Mail. And once it loads, and then you'll see that you have just like a regular email thing here. Make this. You have your inbox, normal things, and you could actually compose stuff from here. I choose not to do a lot from here. I don't really send emails out from here. I use my autoresponder to set this up. And if you'll notice, I get a lot of junk mail in here. So what I do is for this junk mail, I just leave it here, and I just check to see what recent emails have come in and just compare it to what has come into my Gmail box over here, and make sure that everything's lining up to make sure that it's working properly. So that's how you check your webmail for your branded domain name email. I hope you found this useful, and we will see you on the next training.